It's that 2700 BH Cougar Sport. Right. Under 8,000 pounds. 1390 hitch weight. Frameless windows. 30-pound propane tanks. Come on. You got your solid steps coming in with your extra large entry stair. That main one, when you're coming in or going out, just makes it a little easier to do so. One with a nice extra wide entry door. If you're carrying 2 bags of groceries, you don't have to turn sideways to get in here. Stepping in, no in command in the Sport. Hey, it's a price cut. It's something you don't need. Why buy it? I like my toggle switches anyway. Or rocker switches, rather. That digital stuff with the keypads is no fun anymore, especially when it's cold. Nice big bathroom. Kept the porcelain toilet. That's beautiful. On-demand hot water heater is new this year. In our bedroom, we've got the struts under the bed. One of my favorite things in a bedroom. I already got some pictures of this unit, so that's why all these are up and exploded for us. And nice big closet there. This is a true queen size bed, so 60 by 80. Residential, your sheets from home will fit. Massive storage in there. Sorry about not having lights. I had a battery on it and it died on me while I was upstairs taking care of somebody, so my apologies there. Hope the lighting is okay. You've got a full-size sleeper sofa along with your U-shaped dinette that will drop down, and 3 bunks back here. All right, so you're double over double over double. Plenty of closet space for the 3 that are staying in here. Light switch is going to be located here, which is a nice cool spot. Prime view of the TV from wherever you're at in here. Nice big sink for those big pots and pans while you're camping, big chili bowls. And well, this is just the first look, guys. Yo, look at that DVD player. They brought the DVD player back. Awesome. Hope you enjoyed it. Let me know if you want to come see it.